Okay, we're gonna put some more oil in the beetle trap.
Because some rookie dumped it all out.
It's all good.
What kind of oil is it?
Oh, just like soybean oil, corn oil, doesn't matter.
Any vegetable oils, alright?
Yeah, any oil. This stuff was the cheapest at Safeway.
Okay.
Doesn't matter, it's there to kill the beetles.
Oops. Oh well.
Alright, there's still enough in there, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, smoker, huh?
Mm.
Gonna put the beetle traps back in.
Oh, shh.
That's why we try to work with one beetle trap at a time.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, that's what you call learning the hard way.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This should be good.
Seems to, you hear them all in there? Wow.
Okay.
Another one?
Yep. I like 2 traps per box.
Okay. Other people like one?
Oh yeah, or just none. All depends on how many beetles you want crawling around. I want as little as possible.
Smoke's supposed to calm you guys down, not put you guys on.
It sounds like they're a little agitated.
There we go. Okay, pollen.
I was gonna make you some balls, but you had the gloves.
Thanks for the thought. Since this is a bigger colony, I'm gonna do 6.
Why is this colony bigger than the other colony?
Because the density of bees.
Right, but why is there more bees in this one than in the other one?
Oh, it's older.
Okay.
Yeah, older.
Okay.
Like I got that queen and some leftover. When we did a hive move,
Mm-hmm.
there were a lot of adult bees that got lost,
Mm-hmm.
and so that hive was all the stray adult bees and
Okay.
then a queen.
Okay.
So then after 42 days, the life cycle of a bee, the population declined.
You only live 42 days?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. No wonder they're busy.
Mm-hmm.
Busy bees. Got stuff to do and no time to do it.
There we go. That should be good. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's put one like right here. Come on, girls. Come on. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, girls. See, she's already going for it.
I'm hungry, huh?
Ain't no food when I smell it. Oh, chow time.
Put one right here. Thank you, girls. There we go.
Going for the glove right there.
They can't sting through that rubber glove?
I don't think so. I'm just starting to use it. I don't want to get
Right,
pollen all over stuff.
right.
Let's put one right here. Come on, girls. Thank you. Yeah, look at that.
There I go. Never mind, I'm not going to chase you, I'll chase this.
Pollen is here? Let's put one right there.
They just all crowded over here.
There we go. Let's put one. Put one right here. Oops, sorry. Let's put this one like right there. There we go. Eating it? Yeah, they're already starting to go for it. It's good.
Yeah, they're knacking.
Better for them to eat it than the beetles. Okay. So I'm gonna, when I put this stuff on, I'm gonna want you to smoke the edges so I don't squish
Got it.
as many things. I smoke them in.
Ready? Come on, gang. Yeah, I got it done. Ooh, I'm sorry.
And then I'm gonna lift this up. I'm gonna want you guys to help me guide it. Get it one time.
Try not to squish them, but that's
So, my guy, what's the more important job?
Oh, just puff. Make sure I try not to squish as many as possible.
It'll happen no matter what.
Yeah. With every hive check, you're gonna squish bees, but
No, that 42 days. They'll make another.
there you go. It's pretty lined up.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, look at this population on the table hanging out. Adding more oil to the beetle trim. Why oil?
Because they drown. Insects, they breathe through
Not
their
water.
exoskeleton.
Because water evaporates.
Well, they're waxy, I think, because so they can surface tension.
That's what I would guess. Too.
Oil is probably more effective.
That would be my guess. All right. Some puff on. Yeah, like right there. Gentle. Nice gentle. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, these guys are angry.
Lots of comb in there.
That must be why they're so angry.
They're protecting the honey. The honey.
It's okay, girl. It's okay. So even from here, you can see that this frame is like full of honey. So I'm looking on the.
Is it ready to harvest or no?
Not yet. We try to do the whole box.
Ah,
one time.
I see. Makes sense.
So hopefully by the end of the summer, we'll have at least one harvest.
Yeah.
I've been trying to do supplemental feeding for the last few weeks.
Where's this one right there?
Yep. Yeah.
It's gentle.
There we go. Thank you. Smush them down. Okay. Beetle traps. Can you try puff the edges so that they go back into the box?
Gentle puffs?
Yeah. Gentle puffs are good.